Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on start icon and then select task manager. Select startup tab, and we need to disable all the softwares which are running on our machine. After that, close this window. Now click on search icon and in the search bar type settings and click here to open it. Now go to apps tab, then select apps and features. Now just scroll down and on the Microsoft items, go to advanced options and select background apps permissions as never and close this window. Again go to start icon and open device manager. On this window, expand display adapters. Right click on here and select update drivers. Now just follow my screen. Click on check for updates. This will take some time to complete the process. So wait for it, and once done, you need to download and install the latest update. After that, close all windows one by one. Again go to search bar and search for CMD. Right click on it, select run as administrator. This will open a command prompt window. Type this command and hit enter. After that, type Y and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.